Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we will explore Rocket Lab USA in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has identified Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.13. Now, let's review the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis have benefited from a remarkable gain of 345.4% since we first categorized Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate 83 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.16% each day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 182.67% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 108.81% and 236.17%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 66.40% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 42.63% and 90.99%. This corresponds to a price range of $13.72 to $45.68 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price increased by 3.5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024. It rose from $23.11 to $23.92. During that day, the stock price fluctuated by 8.21%, reaching a low of $22.66 and a high of $24.52. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has increased by 18.53% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $470,570,000. It is important to note that falling volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $28.03, while the lowest price was $3.47. Currently, the price is 14.66% or $4.11 below the 52-week high of $28.03, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab USA Inc. has recently made headlines as one of the top-performing stocks in the aerospace and defense sector, demonstrating an impressive increase of 280% this quarter alone. This surge reflects strong retail interest and investor confidence in the company's growth potential. Rocket Lab reported a staggering backlog of $1.05 billion, representing an 80% year-over-year increase, indicating robust demand for its services. This demand includes $326 million in launch services and $721 million in space systems. Revenue figures for the third quarter of 2023 also resonated positively, rising 55% year-over-year to $105 million. Despite some volatility, including an 11% drop in early December, the overall sentiment regarding Rocket Lab remains bullish. This is largely due to new contract wins and innovative advancements, such as the grant of $23,900,000 to expand semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. The company's successful completion of 2 rocket launches in just 24 hours further solidifies its operational strength. In the long term, Rocket Lab's diverse revenue streams and strategic focus on premium contracts position it well as a key player in the competitive space industry. The anticipated Neutron rocket launch in mid-2025 could also propel future growth. As investors consider these factors, Rocket Lab's upward trajectory is likely to be sustained, positively impacting its stock price over both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned RKLB an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank again assigned RKLB an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned RKLB a market perform grade with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned RKLB a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Rocket Lab USA's stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the stock receives a strong sell rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal stemming from the long-term average. As the short-term average sits above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance around $24.66 from the short-term moving average. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support at approximately $16.66 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning signal, warranting close attention to the stock. Some negative signals have also been noted and could impact its short-term trajectory. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, November 29, 2024, with the stock having fallen by 12.32% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy that occurred 86 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice the short moving average generated a buy signal 62 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 135 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 129 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $23.01. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a notably wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.86 between its high and low, which translates to an increase of 8.21%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 9.87%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 11 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab USA is at $24.06. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA faces its first support level at $23.01. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the second day of December in 2024, Slusky Alexander R. conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the third day of December in 2024, Slusky Alexander R. conducted another insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th day of September in 2024, Slusky Alexander R. sold 156,361 shares of common stock. On the 29th day of November in 2024, Kozla Ventures VLP conducted an insider sale of 5 million shares of common stock. On the 26th day of November in 2024, Saintil Merlin sold 50,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 90.553. Overall, insiders purchased 5,226,866 shares and sold 70,460,232 shares in the last 100 trades. Our suggested stop loss is set at $22.70, reflecting a decline of 5.08%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that this may be a favorable buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock to perform well in the near term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold accumulate to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of December, we anticipate that Rocket Lab USA will open lower, down by 22 cents, and begin trading at $23.70. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.